Or I guess I'm really glad that I decided. That happened just in time.
Right.
Yeah. That's because there's a little. Oh, she's a little bit high. Camera, huh?
That's all right.
I know what I want. Screw it. Pumpkin chai tea.
Got you for you.
I was seeing you in West Milton, and I never have enough time to see.
Oh, really?
Have a salted caramel.
Okay. Salted caramel latte, that's $7. There's 13.
Thank you.
Caramel latte.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Got a nice fat stack of tickets here. It's been a fairly good day. So one reason why we, operate this hut is for these guys right here. So this is our display of American chestnuts, and it gets people asking about chestnuts in general. A lot of people do it actually, and it's a great way for us to talk about our farm and tell them that we have a plantation that's currently growing a whole field of chestnuts that will eventually start producing here in a couple of years. Hopefully we'll develop a customer base as we start approaching those years of production. And it's also a great way for people to just ask about regenerative farming in general, because all of our ingredients, all of our drinks, everything we sell is wholesome, healthy ingredients because it's all organic. We try to get as much of it from local farms as possible. All of our syrups are made in-house. Our beans are from regenerative farmers, and so it allows us to start talking about that and start introducing and educating people on what regenerative means. Next year, I really want to start going more for private events and doing any type of event that we can get ourselves into, because those end up being our most profitable days, and that's really where the money is. So
About where you want to be.
Hi, what can I get for you?
You guys are hard to find. You're up at
You're shipped around a lot.
you was up at Salem one time.
Okay, now that all the losers have clicked away, this is the part of the video for all you legends that have stuck around to the very end. I wanted to let you know that 98% of all farmers in the US, including us, rely on income from outside of their farming operations. I work a regular 9-to-5 job in addition to the farm, which is also a full-time job in and of itself, plus all of the work that goes into creating this YouTube channel. So any money earned from this channel goes directly to supporting our farm. And outside of liking this video and subscribing to this channel, there are a number of ways that you can support us. One way is to shop our merch. If you go to our website, which the link is in the description below, we have some really cool shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, and more that you can order, and that really helps us out. And then for all of you coffee drinkers, head over to 7 Weeks Coffee and use our discount code ADVENT to get 10% off of your order. Or you can also use the link in the description below. 7 Weeks Coffee is what we use in our Coffee and Chestnut Hut. Because they are faith-based, they have a great mission, and their Dominican blend is sourced from regenerative farms. So it's organic, direct trade, the whole 9 yards. If you use our link or the discount code ADVENT, you get a discount, we get a kickback, it's a win-win. So thank you to all of the legends who watch this video and support this channel. It really means a lot.